Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. This is the stock headlight, light output before. That way we can kind of show you a comparison of what it looks like before with the light output comparable to the aftermarket light. These are the headlights we're going to be using, OEDRO. Not sure how you pronounce that. This is the company's information. They were actually sent to us. They do sell them on Amazon, which I'm going to put the Amazon link down below in this video. Today we're going to kind of show you an unboxing and an install video of what these will look like before and after. These are made for the Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500. They will go up to the 2018 model, I believe 2010 or 2011, all the way up to the 2018 model. I'll definitely put that in the description of what year and model these fit. It will also say in the Amazon link as well. Notices when you remove this piece right here, it does not come with a stock bulb. Same way down here at the bottom. Top one comes off, bottom one also comes off as well. Does not come with a bulb. So you will have to transfer the bulb here, here, There's actually two more on the top.
One's this way and the other one is the other.
And the other one is this way, which might have been because they changed these out. So on top of the ones that we have here and here, you're also gonna have one there and there. Now these could be different because somebody's already pulled these off before. This truck does have 90,000 miles on it. On here we have an 8mm, we have a 10mm, another 10mm here, and then we have an 8mm down here, and that will take the 4 bolts off for the front grille. Okay, so Josh over here, aka Beavis, has removed all the bolts on the front grille. So from this point forward, I believe that we're gonna have to pull back here, and there's clips, and that way you can remove the actual front grille, just like he did. Just be real careful. You don't want to break anything.
The clip.
And that is the clip right there that you're pulling out.
I got a light.
Yep. There's the front grille's been taken off of the pieces. We did get the front grille off. I will tell you, the bottom ones, pulling those off, if they're weak like this one is, they will break. There's not much that you can do about it. See, like just the heads of them will just crack off because they're so cheap, but these held in. So you might want to just prepare yourself to have to buy 2 of these clips from Dodge.
About $1.
Yeah, they're probably about $1. You could get them from, you know, AutoZone or any of those places. They'll be pretty similar to where they'll clip in. We have a 10mm here, and we have a 10mm here, and there's probably also going to be a 10mm underneath here, which we'll have to remove the inner liner to get to that. All right, he's gonna take off this 10mm here.
Fine thread, long.
Okay.
So the other one's gonna kind of...
The top 10mm bolt here, which is fine thread, and then he's gonna use our right angle to get to this one because of the angle that it's at. We have a Milwaukee right angle. We also have a DeWalt right angle. And then that one comes right out. You could also use a ratchet if you want as well. Either of them will work. There's your brights down in there. So now we'll have to wire up the sequential lights and see what they do when we actually wire those up. Because those light bars on the top and bottom should work too. All right, so these are the connectors that they do send you, which are like a T-tap or a posi lock connector, you know, where you shove the wire in and you flip it over. These are not bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate them like a 3 or 4. A lot of people don't like using these, so we don't really use these a lot, but you're more than welcome to use these if this is what you feel comfortable with. We use the T-taps from 3M. They're just a little bit easier to use in case you ever have to unplug it. We can use these. They're just a lot easier to use. So you can use these or these, whichever you prefer. But we're gonna go ahead and use these today, mainly because that's what we use. And these 3 wires that are coming off of this parking lot harness is what we're going to use. So you just push this little piece down into this groove, you flip this over, take your pliers, and just snap it on. It's that simple. And then when we put our other connector, it will just snap into here, and that way you can unplug it if you ever have to take it out. That's one of the nicest things about using a T-tap. A lot of people aren't a fan of them, but I've been using them for 20 years. Never had an issue with them, but where you'll have issues is if you don't know what you're doing or you put them on improperly. That's where you'll have the issues. That's where a lot of people have issues with these, is because they don't do them properly. So all 3 of these are unconnected. When you snap these, you want to make sure that you hear it click and you see that this is 100%. If it's not installed on there correctly, it will come off. So those are all 3 of our lights. I'm gonna figure out which wire goes to what, but I can almost guarantee this black wire is the ground, and we need the turn signal, and then we need the parking light wire. So I'm gonna figure out in this description which one is which, and I'll let you guys know that right now. You'll wanna strip them back with your strippers. These already have came to where they are stripped. So you'll take, we use the red spade. it.